Guys, after building this beautiful banner, let's jump over and build our other section. Okay, so let's click over edit with Elementor, and let's create 3 sections over here. And here you can see we have this beautiful little icon, then there is a heading, there is a paragraph. Okay, so I'm gonna search for the icon box. Okay, icon box, and this is the thing that we are going to use. And basically I want it to be like this way, and let me remove this and have some text from here like free shipping. Okay, and then free shipping and return for this heading. And then after that we need to change it in this way. So search for the car. So this is the thing that I'm going to use, okay, as my icon. And let me remove it. And yeah, basically I wanted to use h5, and h5 is enough, or we can use h6 as well, but I think h5 is enough. Okay, so yeah, we are going to use h5, and both of the things are totally fine. Okay, and let's come up over here, and we need to yeah, I'm going to have this particular color, and after that we can have some spacing. And for the size we can also say that this size is enough. Okay, we don't need to rotate, and we can also add some spacing between the content. Okay, so yeah, this space is enough. And for the color of the primary content is black, and another is so for the title and the description is also fine. Okay, let me add the typography primary, and typography of this particular thing is add primary. Okay, and that's it, or I can say the secondary is enough. Okay, and here is the secondary primary. I don't want any text shadow or anything, and the main thing, we just want it to do it like this, like boxed. Okay, and let's click over here once again, and here you can see that we are having it like this particular thing is like little bit lightweight. Okay, and this is totally totally its font weight, it's little bit big, so we need to reduce its font weight as well. So this is the font weight that we need. Okay, and as well as font size is also gonna also matter. So font size that I want is this, like 15. Yeah, I think 15 is enough. 15 font size is enough, or I can say like 16. Okay, 16. And after that, let's say line height, now it is good. Letter spacing, and yeah, that's it. After it we can change typography of this particular text, and we can have some like this way. So I can say that this is like its font size 12 font size, or 13 is enough. Okay, 13 is enough for this thing, or I can say 14. Okay, 14, 15 maybe. Okay, and that's great. Basically 14 is enough for this, because I have to reduce it, and for this one I need 17. Okay, yeah, that's it. And after that let me change it. 15 or 17. Okay, And after that we are having this, there is a space, from top to bottom. Okay, so we have to make sure that we can also give some space. So come up over here and we can add some margin and padding from top to bottom like this way. So this will gonna add some space, okay, from top to bottom, and that's it. And after that what I wanted to add, basically I wanted to give some padding, okay, like this way. Let's say 10 is enough, okay. And yeah, we can replicate it. We can also increase the font size, like margin, like 25. I will gonna take it to the 25, okay. And let's replicate it. Like you just need to replicate it in order to get the same thing, okay. And once more, and let's delete this particular thing. After it, we need 100% money back guarantee icon, okay. So let's change it, and 100% money back guarantee, this one, okay. So this is the thing. And after it, let me change this one, online support, not free shipping. So online support, I want to paste it here, online support 24/7 and awesome support 24/7 too, okay. So let's copy it as well. Paste it over here. We need to change the font icon. So money, I wanted to add a rupee, this particular thing, okay. So for the money, I'll gonna add this one, this icon, and for the calling I will gonna add this one, okay. Or yeah, I'll gonna use this particular thing, okay. And yeah, that's cool. And after it we have to add another thing, that is this beautiful line, okay, this very slight line over here, okay. So what the color of it, let me see first, because this whatever the line we are adding, we need to change the color, okay. And I think its line color is totally different. So let me check it first. There's a border and there is a end information and there's a section. After it, let me see, there's a section and I need a container. Inside this section there is a container div, okay. We'll see. Let me add our line. So we need a line over here, so I'll gonna add a divider first, divider, okay. And this divider, I'm going to add this in a full width, okay. We want it in a full width first, okay. And after it, what I wanted to do, basically I need to change the gap, okay, first 2 only, okay. And width is 1 enough, okay. And after it what I wanted to do, I wanted to add it like it is very, I need it to be like very lightweight, yeah, this color, okay. This is the color that I wanted to use for my, and after it what I wanted to do, let me take it to the top. So yeah, that's it. Now it is good. Basically I have to make sure that both of the things can look good. Okay, so this particular thing is ending over here, so I have to take it little bit down more. Okay, let me say like around little bit 18 or 17. Okay, 18 is enough. Okay, now 18 is enough, and let me see how it will gonna look like. Okay, so now it is looking good. We are having this beautiful money and online whatever it is. Okay, so after it we have to build other things. So before doing anything, let me update first. So we are having this particular thing, these three things. So let's come and build this as well. So we want 3 boxes, 3 sections. Then after that I want an image. Then after that basically for what I wanted to do, I wanted to add 2 sections. So I'll gonna add 2 sections first inside it. Okay, and for the first one I will gonna use a image for this section. Okay, and another section what I wanted to use a heading. Okay, and inside this heading I will gonna use this one, menswear, and after it I'll gonna use this thing which is going to be a text editor or paragraph, you can say. Okay, for the paragraph I wanted to use it. Okay, so let me see. Okay, that's it. And after adding both of the things, what I wanted to do, I wanted to reduce the size of it first. So let me say like h4 is enough. Okay, and menswear, so I wanted to reduce its typography, like font and weight that it is using. So font weight is this, and after that I want it to be like this. Okay, and this is basically normal. And let me see, so just take it to the like, okay, like this one. And after that I wanted to copy this particular button and just paste it over here. So this is the button. Okay, and inside this button what I wanted to do, basically I'm gonna change only 2 things. First thing that I wanted to change in this button is I wanted to remove it shop now first. Okay, then letter spacing is enough. Okay, and after that well, I can say that icon spacing, I don't need icon spacing. And basically the typography I'm using is okay, I wanted to change it to the white. Okay, and then this one will gonna turn it to the black. Okay, and that's it. And our button must be look little bit good, so I wanted to change its padding. Okay, so yeah, this is 15 is enough, or you can say like 14 is enough. Okay, so this is the button, and once we hover on it nothing will gonna happen. And let me change this typography because I think 400 is enough for it. Okay, or I can say like 300. Let me see how 300 will go. 400 is enough. And also I wanted to change its like 13 is enough. Okay, yeah, 13, and the padding is, I'm going to reduce the padding as well. So yeah, padding is enough now. So both all of these things are looking perfect. So now you can see that we are getting this thing totally aligned. Okay, and what you need to do, you just come over here and take it to the center, and that's it. Okay, and after that I wanted to add a image first. So basically we need a image, these three images that we are having. Okay, so in order to add them, just go on the desktop and grab all of these images in this way. So this is the image, and I want it to be like full width. Okay, that's it. And after that, what I wanted to do, basically first thing I wanted to increase the let me take it to the default, like however it is, like yeah, that's enough. And after it, middle, center, and let me add some padding. Okay, some padding first, then we need to add a border. So I want a solid border, not in this one, I want a solid border out of it. Okay, so go to the style, and in order to add your border, what do you need to do, just come up over here, and this is the border, and border type that I wanted to have is 0.3, 0.4 is enough, and the color I want it is this one. Okay, I can say that one is enough, but I wanted to like around 0.6. okay, 0.6 is enough. And after that let me see that how it looks like. Okay, now everything is fine, and let me see first. Now it is looking good with the same way. Okay, the way it is. Okay, and we can, we can change its height, so it can fix, or otherwise I'll gonna take it like this. Okay, I'll because later we need to change this image. Okay, so right now what we need to do, we need to replicate it and change the thing, change the content. Okay, so duplicate it 1 and 2. Okay, 2 times we duplicated it. We want to delete this one and this one also. Okay, and in this image we wanted to add this girl, and we also need to change its name, women's wear. So let's change its name. Okay, and after that let me change its this one, and for this one we need kids wear. Okay, so kids wear, and that's it. Let me update it and let me show you that how it is, how it looks like. Okay, so okay, that's cool. So let me see how it is looking. Okay, preview changes, and now it is looking good. Okay, so after that, in the next session, thanks for watching, and in the next session we are going to add our product and modify our product. Okay, product page, whatever the things we are having, and we'll continue this. Okay, so thanks for watching guys. Bye bye, take care.